You gotta give this 1 minute. Hey, cut, take two.
We forgot to get a present for Timmy.
Fuck Timmy. I wasn't gonna give him a present anyways. Maybe he shouldn't have handed out invitations to the whole class if he didn't want me showing up. A menace to society.
I'm showing up without the invitation.
Yeah.
How's it going, guys? Back again with part 2. So this is what we have going on right now is we just set up the sub. So if you want to come here, we just ride the amp. The sub's going back over there, which we'll show you in a second. But we need a new head unit because it won't work for the sub. So that's a bit of a problem, which sucks because I thought we were gonna have this going today, but everything's wired up and ready. Good. We ran the wiring right here, and we just did some zip ties. You could do screws, but it's just quicker, and I got a lot of stuff to put in today. Well, wired this, put a fuse right here, and then it's going down. It was actually not as bad as I thought it would be. It just takes time, you gotta be patient. We got the sub going, so sub's right here. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put it or how I want to lay it, but I'll figure that out. But yeah, so what we're doing is it's time to start putting everything back. So I got my buddies who wanted to come look at the car. Now it's time to get them to work. I can't read. Dude, now I can make this thing into like a bandana or something, bro.
Do-rag.
Hell yeah, boy. This is all done. See, I'm pretty sure he showed you some footage of it already. But it's just ready to be put back in. And at the end, I decided to put it right here too. So this can be on the back. So fucking nice. But yeah, that's gonna be it. We'll do some footage of me putting everything back in and see how everything goes. Hopefully it's smooth. Hopefully it doesn't take me all night. But it's gonna be some work, so let's get to it. Well, guys, so right now we're just putting everything back in. It's been rough. We got to, next time I'm taking pictures, so if you guys ever do this, make sure you take pictures before you do anything. Putting all this back inside right now. So when I get back to you guys, we're going to be completely done. Everything will be back in. Hopefully I'll have the new head unit by the time, and then we all guys will be hear the sub, have the all the paneling in, and it's going to be super nice. It'll be all taken care of and perfect. All right, guys, see you soon. How's it going, guys? This is the update. Everything's back in. It's all together. This is how it's looking. So everything came in pretty good. It's not perfect, you know. It's our first time doing an interior like this, but it came out pretty good. Some of it isn't perfect, like I said, but you know, I think it's looking pretty clean. It's made a huge difference in the interior. We got all the door panels in. We're gonna get some seat covers, or we're gonna dye. I think I'm gonna dye the back seats black. There's a special dye you can use. That's the plan for the carpet as well. So we're gonna dye the whole carpet. The carpet's still in good shape, but you know, it's got its flaws. It's 20 years old. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dye it. There's this dye you use. You mix it with water and you spray it like with a just with a normal sprayer. And you'll spray it all around, and you let it sit. You can do it for headliners too, and it'll come out really good. So we're gonna see how that works. We got the panels are all done. Like I said, the front we're gonna do some leather seat covers. We haven't done the dash yet. So we still got to do the dash, but the dash is looking pretty good still. So we'll end up doing the dash probably black. I'll do the little things, maybe a little bit of blue in there. It's not done yet, but we're gonna do the LEDs. So we're gonna put blue LEDs when you turn on the car. We're gonna change those. Those are gonna be blue as well. But yeah, that's just how it came out. I hope you guys like it. So what we have planned for the outside is we're gonna sand bits and parts of it down. What we're doing is we're wrapping the car. Paint, wrap, whatever you're gonna do. A lot of this stuff you don't have to completely take off because, you know, it'll still stick as long as you spray it down with the alcohol before you do it. but all down right here, wherever it's the with the clear coat is peeling right here. So you have to sand that down, and we'll sand bits and parts of it. If you want to come here, this is chipping. So if we put a wrap on it without sanding this down, it's gonna end up peeling back. So we'll take out all the liner, we'll have to debadge everything, take out the door handles, and then we're gonna wrap it all. And you guys will see the color. I'm not gonna tell you what color it is yet until you guys see it. And then from here down, you know, at the end of the day, this thing's made to go outside to be badass, you know. So we're gonna take this thing down, 4-wheel drive. We're gonna put rhino liner so it doesn't ruin, you know, you don't want to put a nice wrap on it if it's gonna get messed up anyways. So you rhino line it, it'll stick pretty good. That stuff, you just wipe it down, make sure it's clean, and it'll stick. It's super good stuff. You guys know what to do. Like and subscribe, and come back for another video, because we got big plans. We got a lot of things we're doing to this car, but we got a lot of cars that we're going to be working on as well. We'll show you details, really deep information. We want to show you guys how to be successful, how to work hard, and at the end of the day, have a nice looking car, because that's what it's all about. One last thing, I don't only work on cars, but I work on music too, so I'm going to show you guys a little sneak peek, and I hope you guys like it.
You've been moving differently. The way you moving, I just feel like I can't intervene. But I don't like it, cause somehow you mean a lot to me. And you ain't picture perfect, but that shit, it don't mean shit to me. I'ma tell you about a lot before you leave and how I really feel. It's been a year, when I see you, I'm in love with you. Even after all the things that you don't put me through. If you feel the same, come and tell me I ain't a pick and choose it. I don't get it, cause I wanna say that I can't fuck with you. I just talked to my little bro, and he getting married. Think about it, could've been a sin, this shit is scary. So come and ride with me, if you want that bag up. Or we'll go get a place, if you want real love. The way I'm moving, I just got the spirit leading me. I guess what I am asking is, you wanna come and follow me?